Facebook page, my Old Biker Dude Facebook page, I've gotten a lot of comments about my Power Wagon. It is a little different from what you see most people pulling. That's what I was striving for, was to have a unit with me that helped me keep both my costs down, enable me the ability to carry as much in the ways of self-sufficiency as I could with me. And therefore, you know, I guess once I started researching, you know, of course I was working on a pauper's budget, so you know, I went the economical route on everything. Like I said, the Blue Eddy cost me $239. I think the Vevor refrigerator was $139, and I've listed all these products down there where you can see all that if you go into the description, and you can check out all the different products, how to get in touch with USA Travel Trailer Store if you want to talk with them about getting yourself a camper to pull, or they also have trailers like these in the newer style. Like I said, this one's almost ancient. But any questions that you may have about the materials that I use or any of the tools I use, please feel free to, you know, pop them in the comments and I'll get back to you on it. You can always email me at oldbikerdude4540@gmail.com. I try to get to all my emails if I can, and I'm certainly happy to help with any advice that I can give you about these products, or a way in which you might be able to set up a trailer for yourself to have like this. And of course, I appreciate, you know, if you take the time to hit the like button if you're still around on this video and I haven't put you to sleep yet. Subscribe to my channel and look for upcoming videos. You know, ring that notification bell. You'll be advised of you know, upcoming stuff that I'll be doing. I'm planning on doing a lot of travel this summer. Going to do the Blue Ridge Parkway here in a couple of days, up and back the 469 miles, and then come back. It's about 150 miles from my house to the beginning, so that'll be about a 1,500 mile trip, and that'll be a great chance to test out the depth of my trailer and its capabilities before I go out west. I'm wanting to go out to Colorado and do the northwestern United States here later this year. Maybe after the real heat of the summer has calmed down just a little bit, and plan carefully so that I can be up in the altitudes when it's you know, when it's real hot, and just kind of just plan accordingly. But that's something I'm wanting to do. That'll probably be a 30 to 45 day thing. I'm not one of those guys that does 500 miles a day, to be honest with you. I like to see the sights. I've, you know, rode motorcycles all my life. I became fascinated with motorcycles and traveling over the road as a youngster. My grandfather bought me a Kawasaki 750 for graduating from boot camp in the Navy at 17 years old, and it's one of those old two-strokes with the 3 little streams of blue smoke that shot out the back of it. And I jumped on it and rode it to California, and I was fascinated. I was absolutely hooked at motorcycle travel. I've traveled all my life. I've went across the country and back a few times through the years, but you know, not, you know, mixing that with working life and family and so forth, I didn't get an opportunity to do that as often as I'd like. And now, since I'm retired, I plan to see a lot more things that I had to watch go by as exit signs when I was a truck driver. So again, hit the like button if you would, subscribe to my channel, and I'll sure look forward to seeing you back again. It's a pleasure doing these videos. I really enjoy it, and look for my upcoming videos on the Blue Ridge Parkway trip. Y'all have a great day. Thanks very much, and God bless.